हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम स्टडी करेंगे ऑस्ट्रेलियन ग्रेट बैरियर रीफ के बारे में, जिसकी कुछ रिसेंट फ़ोटोज़ कुछ इस टाइप की है। पहले हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं अभी तक की जो भी स्टोरी है इसकी। द हाईएस्ट लेवल ऑफ कोरल कवर विद इन द पास्ट 36 ईयर हैज़ बीन रिकॉर्डेड इन द नदर्न एंड सेंट्रल पार्ट ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलियंस ग्रेट बैरियर रीफ, दैट इज GBR, according to the annual long-term monitoring report by the Australian Institute of Marine Science. The researchers behind the report have warned, however, that this could be quickly reversed owing to rising global temperature. This came after the reef experienced a mass coral bleaching event in March this year. ग्लोबल टेम्परेचर के कारण क्या होता है कि जो बैरियर रीफ है वो डिप्लीट होना स्टार्ट हो जाती है। हमें इसको कंट्रोल करना चाहिए क्योंकि हमें इसको प्रिजर्व करके रखना है। Next question we have, what is the definition of coral reefs? Coral reefs are the marine invertebrates or animals which don't possess a spine. They are the largest living structure on the planet. Each coral is called a polyp and thousands of such polyps live together to form a colony which grow when polyps multiply to make copies of themselves. ठीक है? This was the definition of coral reefs. Next we have, there are two types of coral reefs. First of all, hard corals and soft corals. Hard corals extract calcium carbonate from seawater to build hard, white coral exoskeleton. Hard coral are in a way the engineer of reef ecosystem has measuring the extent of hard coral is widely accepted metric for measuring the condition of coral reefs. On the other hand, soft corals attach themselves to such a skeleton and older skeleton built by their ancestor. Soft coral also add their own skeleton to the hard structure over the years. These growing multiplying structures gradually from the coral reefs. There are some more points about Australian Great Barrier Reef. Australia Great Barrier Reef is the world's largest reef system, stretching across 2,300 km and having nearly 3,000 individual reefs. It hosts 400 different types of corals, gives shelter to 1,500 species of fish and 4,000 types of mollusks. Coral reefs support over 25% of the marine biodiversity, even as they take up only 1% of the seafloor. The marine life supported by reef further fuel global fishing industries. These are the some basic point about Australia Great Barrier Reef. Next we have, what does the new report say? According to new reports, the current report surveyed 87 reef in Great Barrier Reef between August 2021 and May 2022. Report states that reef systems are resilient and capable of recovering after disturbance such as accumulated heat stress, cyclones, predatory attack and so on, provided the frequency of such disturbance is low. According to this report, Great Barrier Reef can be revived. According to new survey shows record levels region-wide coral in the northern and central GBR since the first ever AIMS survey was done. Coral over is measured by determining the increase in the cover of hard corals, and the hard corals cover northern GBR had reached 36% of the region, and while in the central region had reached 33%. Meanwhile, coral cover level declined in the southern region from 38% in 2021 and 34% in 2022. The report showed were fueled largely by increase in the fast growing Acropora corals, which are the dominant type in GBR. Incidentally, these fast growing coral are also most susceptible to environmental pressures such as rising temperature, cyclone, pollution, crown of thorn starfish attacks which prey on hard corals and so on. Next we have, does this mean the reef is out of the woods? Beside predatory attacks on and tropical cyclones, scientists say that the biggest threat to health of the reef is climate change, induced heat stress resulting in coral bleaching. Also, coral share a symbolic relationship with single-celled algae called zooxanthellae. The algae prepare food for corals through photosynthesis and also give them their vibrant coloration. When exposed to conditions like heat, stress, pollution or high level of ocean acidity, the zooxanthellae start producing reactive oxygen, which is species not beneficial to the corals. This type of algae are very helpful for the production of coral reef in the AGBR. Next we have, over the last couple of decades, climate change induced rise in temperature has made seas warmer than usual. Under all positive outlooks and the projection in terms of cutting greenhouse gases, sea temperature are predicted to increase by 1.5 degree to 2 degree by the time of century near its end. According to the UN assessment in 2021, the world is going to experience heating at 1.5 degree in the next decades. the temperature at which bleaching become more frequent and recovery less impactful. So the ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट है वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा इसको वेरी करता है, जिसके अकॉर्डिंग क्या है, हमारे जो कोरल लीफ है उसका ब्लीचिंग स्टार्ट हो जाता है और उसका रिवाइव होना मुश्किल हो जाता है. Next we have mass bleaching events have become more closely spaced in time. The first mass bleaching event occurred in 1998 when the El Nino weather pattern caused the sea surface to heat, causing 8% of the world coral to die. ठीक है, जो एल नीनो वेदर है उसके कारण भी बहुत ज़्यादा हार्म होता है. द सेकेंड इवेंट टुक प्लेस इन 2002 बट द लॉन्गेस्ट एंड द मोस्ट डैमेजिंग ब्लीचिंग इवेंट टुक प्लेस फ्रॉम 2014 to 2017. Also, according to the Australian government scientist, 91% of the reef it had surveyed in March were affected by bleaching. Notably, half of the total reef were surveyed before the peak of this year mass coral bleaching event in the GBR region. Also, the aerial surveys by AIMS included 47 reef and coral bleaching was recorded on 45 these reefs. While the level were not high enough to cause coral death, it did leave sublethal effect such as reduced growth and reproduction. Also, the AIMS report says that the prognosis for the future disturbance suggest in an increase in marine heat waves that will last longer and ongoing risk of COTs, outbreak and cyclones. Therefore, while the observed recovery offer good news for the overall state of the GVR region, there is an increasing concern for its ability to maintain this state. ठीक है, ये कुछ बेसिक पॉइंट है. So in today's context we can say that to preserve coral reef is essential. So this was the analysis of Australian Great Barrier Reef from my side. If you like this video, please don't forget like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Thank you.